Hello, iPhone and Poco M3. Hello, everyone. Is this iPhone?
Hello.
iPhone? Oh,
Yeah, this is mine. My name is Raja.
oh, hi, Rajan. And is this Poco M3? How are you all?
Hey, Anand this side.
Oh, hi, Anand. How are you?
Fine. What about you?
Good, thank you. I'm happy to see you here.
Me too. कि आपने start किया है. That's great.
Thank you. So
Keep going.
today, we are going to discuss about lead generation. For that, you should introduce yourself. What are you do? What do you do? And what where from where you are? Just put it in the chat box. Okay, so should we start now? Can you see my screen? So today we want to discuss about lead generation. What is lead generation? When you are in a business, whether it is affiliate marketing or network marketing or anything, you would be wondering that how to get leads and how to get lead generation. So, so today we want to discuss about that. Okay. So what is a lead? A lead is an individual or organization with an interest in what you are selling. The interest is expressed by sharing contact information like an email ID, a phone number, or even a social media handle. When you collect email IDs and contact details of a customer or a potential buyer, that then that is called lead. Why it is called lead? Because it leads to you the sale. Okay. So what we will learn today? What is lead generation? What is B2B and B2C lead generation? What is lead magnet? What is CATT funnel? Okay. So first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Nikita Verma and I'm a working professional. I work with an MNC, but my passion is, digital marketing. Actually, I was trying to learn digital marketing for so long, I think since 2015, but I couldn't learn because of my peer pressures. They said that digital marketing is not booming industry, you will fail and all that. But it was in my mind that I will learn sometimes. So I started learning, I started implementing it, and now I am a digital marketer and I do lead generation, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, etc. So what is lead generation? The action or process of identifying and cultivating potential customers for a business, product, or services. Then it is lead generation. Lead generation is a process of collecting email, phone number, and other details which give you more information about the potential customer. When you get contact details of any potential buyer, or you think that they can just buy your product or services, so that is called lead generation. That will lead to you to the sale, so that you can nurture them and you can convert them into your sales, or they can buy your product or services. So here, who needs lead generation? Nobody, there is nothing like everybody needs lead generation. Who needs lead generation? Let's see. B2B lead generation. This is where it is a complex product, like business clients, like a company, Genpact or Accenture, they would not do any lead generation program. They will just contact to their clients directly via calls or emails, and they will conduct or schedule a meeting. Then they will just contact with each other, and they will sell their services and all that. So they don't need lead generation. And in B2C, like simple things, candy, notebook, pen, pencil, where it is not necessary to do lead generation for that, because a candy is a of rupees one, I think. So he will not get enough profit in doing lead generation. Okay, so they don't need lead generation. So who need lead generation? So between these two things, this part of the B2B and B2C needs lead generation. Like if you are selling courses, if you are doing network marketing, affiliate marketing, or you are selling electronic fridge, like fridge, washing machine, etc. Because customer comes in your showroom, and you just they check out the products like fridge and various models of fridge and washing machines, and they don't buy, or even if they buy, you get their contact details and you just do follow-ups with them, so that they can in future buy your other products or that product that they are confirming. Okay, same in automobile, like cars and all that. So they need lead generation. So here we will see what is B2B, how to do B2B lead generation, business to business lead generation. So there it is a tool for collecting email IDs of any lead. So here this. It is a Snowip. It is a Google Chrome extension. When we just need to add it on our Google Chrome, and you can just find, like if I want to find somebody's email ID, let's say I want to get Genpact's email ID. So we will just go to their website and we will just click on phone. Say digital Deepak. We will go to this website and we will just click on this icon, and here you can see they are just shown their email ID. Now we can save them, and we can go to the list, and here we have the email IDs of that website. You can do it for any website. Okay, so now we can verify whether it is a right email ID, verified email ID or not. So here you can just verify your current list, and it will show you 14 are verified emails from here, and one is not verified. Like you can see Siddharth Shekhar. Raj. This, and we will fetch the email IDs. We get this email ID. Okay. This. and you can verify the list whether it is take little time, and you can see it's verified. Okay. Fine. Then it is findthelead.com. So in this, it is really very important. You can find any lead here. Even you can find any social media profiles. Like we can go to LinkedIn, and if I want to find anybody's lead, like let's say we want is okay. So we will just copy its URL. Put it in the email line. We don't have email ID. Okay, let's say we want to find this guy's email ID. So put it the URL of that ID, and you can see the mail ID of this. And you can even search, like this is my list that I collected. So even if you can create a new list, you can put location here, like I would put Tally, job title, let's say digital marketer. And you can see their email ID of this person, and you can just download these email IDs and you can do your email marketing campaign. In Neverbounce, you can see whether these email IDs are verified or not. And Mailshake, it is for email marketing, where you can do all kind of email marketing, bulk email marketing, and you can put these lists in this, and you can personalize your email for them. And here we see B2C. So in B2B, you just get their email contact and contact number. You follow up with them via email, sales calls, etc. But in B2C, you cannot just go to a random person and start calling. You don't know who is your potential buyer. So how you will do? You need inbound lead generation for that. So first you need lead magnet. You will attract people towards your product and services. Then you will create awareness of your product. Then you will create interest in these leads, that you will get their email ID and all that. Then they will take decision. You will make them decision, and they will take action and purchase your products or services. So what you will do, you will first attract people using lead magnets, like your content on social media, or you can use social media ads like on the Google ads, Facebook ads, and your blogs, and you will attract your people. Then you will nurture them by providing them more value through your content, and you can then you will get attention and you can build trust. You know how you will get their attention through your content on social media or your Facebook ads, Google ads. You will get their attention and you can nurture them. You can send consistent emails and you can put your content consistently, and they will just you will just build trust with your audience. And after you build your trust with your audience, they will transact with you. They can purchase your product. It's because if I will trust somebody, then only I will purchase their product or services. Okay. So when you do any email campaign or anything, so you need to know who is your potential buyer or who is your uh, potential customer who can buy your products. So you need lead scoring. So how you will do lead scoring? For example, you have done email marketing. So you send emails on consistent basis, and some people open it or some people will not open it. Okay, some people will click on your information that you send about your product or anything, and some people will not. Like we have so many emails in our inbox, but we don't open every email. We don't check every email. We just click on some emails that we are interested in or we would want to buy some products. So only then, so you will get to know who is frequently opening your mail or who is frequently clicking on your links. So that is your potential customer. You need to just follow them and you need to just focus on them that they can buy your product in future. So first you will create your content, put your content, you will get their attention and you will build trust with them, and then you will get transaction with them. So you need to do creating lead magnets. How you will create lead magnets? Through free ebooks, free mini courses, like you said, video mini courses, free trials, test drive like for a car, free webinars, application forms, surveys, joining membership of FB group or Telegram channel, so that in return they can give you their contact details. So you will do this, you can give them a free ebook, you can give them a free mini courses, so that they will give you in return their email ID or phone number, so that you can just do your email marketing and you can nurture them for further process. So there are some tools so that you can capture your lead. So you need a landing page for capturing the lead. So these tools, some tools are for landing pages are Instapage, Unbounce, Tech Today, Thrive Architect. You can create landing pages with these tools. Then you need opt-in tools for websites. Through these things as well, you can generate your leads with opt-in chat, opt-in monster, and you can do forms, type forms, Google forms in which you can survey with them. And in like you give them feedback form or anything, they will give you in return their email ID and the permission so that you can use them. You can send them your emails about your products and services. So there it is a CATT funnel. So first lead magnet, you need lead magnet. So how you will do that? Content. You will put content on your social media or like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, various places or blogs, you know. Then you will put on a consistent basis, then you will get their attention. How you will get their attention? Through SEO, Google ads, Facebook ads, and through social media, so that they will attracted towards your content. Then you will do drip marketing and retargeting. That is building your trust. What is drip marketing and retargeting? It is for nurturing your audience so that they can build trust in you. You will send them on a consistent basis your information. You will not start sending them information about your product or sales emails. First, you will just give them little information or content related to anything that like you, if you are doing affiliate marketing, so first you will send them emails about affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing, uh, what is email marketing, anything, then you will build trust in them. Then it will come sales and conversation. You then if you will build trust in them, then only they will transact with you, and then only they will buy your products or services. So this is an overview of lead generation. Thank you so much. Actually, this is uh, a wide area, wide section, leads for lead generation. We cannot cover in one session. So it's just an overview about it. So how would you like this? Do you like it or not? I hope I give you some overview. Thank you. So you can just follow me on Instagram. You can go to my blog on my Facebook, and I'm going to give you the link of my Telegram channel and Facebook group so that you can connect with our community and you can just come in our community. Please go and join our community of Telegram group and Facebook group. I put the link in the chat. Just please join my Telegram channel and Facebook group. And if you have any question, you can ask. Do you have any question? You can ask even in my Facebook group or Telegram channel if you want to. There is no question. Okay, so let's wind up the session. Thank you for joining my session, and you are really a good audience. Thank you so much for that.